Hey, good evening. Dan Fitzpatrick here. Another ugly day in the market. Look, frankly, there's really nothing to do. If you're a day trader and a really good one, you got to be loving this market. But this is the end of the day video, and can't really help you out with that right now. Everything's kind of different that moves from one day to the next. But I will show you Moderna here. This is the company that biotech company that's working on a vaccine for the coronavirus, and that's why the stock just popped up here. But then a couple things have come. I mean, a couple things are pretty obvious to those of you who really pay attention. There's not going to be a lot of money in the vaccine for the coronavirus because the demand is going to be so high, which is a wonderful thing if you're the only guy that's got what is in demand. But when it's a life-saving thing, you can't exactly charge a lot of money for it. You're going to get shot if you do. So whatever they come up with, if this is a company that does come up with something, I think Gilead, who the heck knows, is going to do it at this point. There's all this buzz going around, and I would just say that trying to trade biotech or drug companies with the idea that they're going to come up with a cure for what ails you, so to speak, and be able to make a lot of money on it, man, that's a real small eye in the needle that you're trying to thread. I mean, I wouldn't be thinking about that at all. Don't even think about it. But you can look at a chart and trade against what other traders are doing, because a lot of traders are going to try to make that trade. So I just have Moderna on my watch list here, and this is the first day in a while that actually the first day since before this popped that I'm looking at this thinking like, okay, well, maybe this is worth a shot. I'd have to give it still a little wide berth on the percentage risk. But if you're buying it here in the 2360s, you keep a stop just below yesterday's intraday low. That's the 50-day moving average. And, it's a little bit over 10%, but you got to give a stock like this a little bit of room. But if we start getting buyers coming into this stock, this could turn out to be a really nice entry for you. So anyway, that's all I got. Members, over to the strategy session, and also I'll be holding an online Q&A webinar tomorrow at 8:30 Pacific, 11:30 Eastern time, just to kind of go over the market, and we will see what we can see. And that's for members only, okay? So I'll see you guys then.